Hi friends, I hope you all are doing fine. So today we will going to publish one more application that is in a quick chat like it is in a WhatsApp direct application. So we will going to publish this kind of a application as in the Play Store you can see it already so many applications based on that the direct chat how it will be there. So the same thing here also in our application also as you can see we can able to send the direct messages why no need to save any mobile number or anything like that, and you can able to directly without saving number you can able to send the messages in the WhatsApp. I know in the feature also is there in the WhatsApp also you can able to do direct also, but the reason is making that the some because so many people still get confused, so by the app also it will be very good thing. So we already been published so many times this kind of application, so it's the same thing we are going publishing. And this is an old account, it's an organization account only. So previously we published so many applications like bus applications, so many things are there. So this is also one kind of a new application. So we had taken all the description and screenshot and everything we have been taken. So let's start, and we publish our app. Before publishing our app, whoever require the dunce number or 12 tester service, any kind of application or apps or games, whoever want required, please contact to us. We will going to give the best service to you all who are feeling the problem with the publishing the application and all those things. You can contact to us. We will going to guide, and whatever the problem you are facing, please write a comment below so we can able to make the videos based on that. Soon we will going to start all the comments videos also we'll going to create it. And who require the dunce number and all those things, and even we sell the organization accounts and all those things, just visit to our website researchinfotech.in. You can find the consoles also, we have been selling that and we are buying also. So if required, please contact to us. Okay, let's come back to our app, and we will going to publish our app now. Just create an application, and we need to copy paste all the information. It is a direct chat sender. The app name is there and the package name. Just click on availability. Yeah, package is available, app and free, and disclaim, confirm and create it. It's take time, a couple of minutes, so while it is been uploading, so no need to be worry about that. While it's been uploading, if feel free to visit our website also, that is reset. Sorry, I think I written wrong. Resetinfotech.in. So this is our official website. Here you can see 12 tester service and accounts. So right now we have only one account for sale, and we have been uploading. We have more organization accounts also we have for a sale, and personal accounts also. Who are required, please they can contact to us. Okay, just come back to our app now and set up your app. We need to write a policy and all those things, so we will going to copy the policy link. If you want to how to make a policy, you can see our previous videos also, how to make a policy also. Just save it and go back. Sign in details, so there is a no login requirement is there, so we will just click it as a no. Just save it. Just go back and ads, of course it's content ads. Just go back, content rating. We need to write our mail ID from where you want to get the user to be reached to you. So just all apps only I will keep, so it will be very easy. Just go back to dashboard and targeting audience 18 plus we required, so next and save it. Go back and data safety, I already kept the data safety, just I will import it, that's it. So no need to waste my time on this. So okay, just import it and next and see that what are the data you have been taking. Photos and videos, yeah, of course we are taking photos and video options. And one more thing is it, no need to be there. We are not saving any data, so that's a reason. The reason of the photo and video sharing is because it has a barcode also, so that's the reason we have been taking photos permission also. Government app, no, it's not in a government app. Just go back. And finance, no, it's not in a finance app. Just save it and go back. Advertisement disclaimer, yes, yes. You can pause and you can able to see what are the ticks I'm doing. Step by step you can able to see it. Google need to make it like an import and export all the information, so that will be more easy, but it's okay. No, it's not a health app. Okay, go to the dashboard again and check the categories. So I will select the categories as a social, yeah, because it's in a social tool only, so that's the reason I'm keeping like in a social. Tax also I will keep it social. I will keep the tools also, both I will select. Barcode scanner is there in this, and social and tool. Personal assistant I will keep it, and that's it, it's enough. Okay, we can keep meet to a new people, just apply it. And here is the mail ID, we need to copy the mail ID here, and this is the mail ID. Okay, just go dashboard, and we need to add the no critical part, that is a short description and long description. So here is a short description, just copy and paste. Make sure your description need to be follow with the Google policy, otherwise your app will be going to get a reject. Again, it's going to take some time to review and it's making. Okay, so just paste it and upload the app logo. Okay, why I think this part is getting to you. Okay, this is not exact size, so we will going to do one thing, and we will going to crop it out. Then it's okay, right. Just add it, and feature screenshot, I have taken the feature screenshot also. Nothing, just you need to be crop it, that's it, nothing much big is there. Google made this thing, is to be honest, they made such a good thing here, because every time we no need to go and crop and all those things, so it's fine. Just go down and add a screenshots of here, so I will going to add all screenshots here. It's required 8 screenshots, but mandatory is a 4 screenshot you need to have, but it is fine because you have more, then it is more good for the SEOs and all those things stuff. To be honest, I don't want to make it such a, I whenever first application you have been publishing, make sure that what is the real pictures of the app, that only you need to publish, and it get a approval soon. If you made a customized image and you uploaded it, not going to approve as soon as possible. Okay, so that's the reason use the real images only, that is more good. Just save it and go back, just go to the dashboard, that is fine. So the first part section is completed. Now we will going to release our application. Before that, we need to this is an organization account, so no require the 12 digital services. So just click at all countries and save it, and then create a release and upload your ABB file. So I have been uploaded. While it's been uploading, I will try to write a small description over here. while it's been uploading. Note, keep the conscious matches target and switching keyboard strictly to follow will. Okay, it's take a couple of minutes to get a upload. No need to be worry about that. It's take a couple of minutes. Is depend upon your app size. Based on that, it will going to review out. Okay. If it is any error, it will going to show you. It's take couple of minutes. If while it's uploading, whoever required the DUNS number at 12 tester service, please let us know. So it has been uploaded. We will going to do next whether it's any error or not. So it's a basic error, nothing errors are there. Yellow is a fine, but red is a dangerous thing. So just save it and go on overview. And as we have been completed all those things, now we will send. Oh, okay, there is a one view error is there, so we have to click it, that complete the disclaimer here. Oh, okay, what is that? The privately that the children abuse the closure CSC. What is this? Direct message user the report the child is no, my app is complete to the safety law. Okay, the safer ULR section link. Okay, this is a one more policy link, so we have to go and copy our privacy link. It's asking it's a social media application. I've been selected the category of social media, so that's the reason it's been showing. Otherwise, it's fine. It's not a big deal. Okay, save it, just go on overview. Let's see if it is any problem. No, it's not a problem. Save the changes, send for a review. So as our app has been sent for a review right now, just go back and it's saying that not yet sent for a review, just nothing but do the page is refresh and it will going to be get a publish. So like this, our app has been sent for a review. It's takes 7 days of time to get a approval. Whoever required the DUNS number or 12 tester services website or games or anything like that, feel free to us, contact to us to our number 7989860888. And if you want a console or organization accounts, please visit our website, that is researchinfotech.in. As you can see, this is an our official website. There, go to the account section, accounts for sale section. There you can able to see the accounts which are we have been selling. Okay, so I hope you people like our video. Please like and subscribe to our channel and share with your friends, and please be connected with that and keep a follow up with the new updates. And if you have faced any problem, please write a comments below so we can able to follow up with you all new things and we can able to reply to your words. Thank you so much.